Hello everyone. Jabulani Khumalo, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party founder, who is now expelled, is heading to parliament. Who is now expelled by the party, is now heading to parliament to represent the party in the first sitting of the National Assembly. Khumalo confirmed this in a statement on Monday, despite the fact that he has been dismissed from the organization. He stated this after his name appeared on the list of elected members of parliament who will represent their parties in the National Assembly. Khumalo, referring to himself as the Umkhonto weSizwe Party leader, said that the alleged Umkhonto weSizwe Party communication asserting that the absence of its 58 members of parliament prevents parliament from being formed is not only legally incorrect, but also incredibly embarrassing. He said, "The true leader of MK Party, being myself, does not agree with it. Parliament has been constituted with 400 members as of the confirmation of 400 elected members following the elections. Our members of parliament will be present for their swearing in on the designated date." Khumalo, who identified himself as the MK Party president, emphasized that he gives the party's members of parliament permission to take their oaths of office on the day the Chief Justice chooses, and said should any MK member of parliament not avail themselves for understandable fear of victimization by Mr. Zuma and his clique, this will not in itself be basis for parliament not to continue with its business of swearing in members of parliament and continue with its scheduled business. Zuma officially launched the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in Soweto on December 16, 2023. Khumalo was expelled in the lead-up to the May 29 elections following allegations that he had been paid to infiltrate the organization. Prior to his expulsion, the party had submitted Khumalo's name to the IEC as its parliamentary representative. On Saturday, Nhlamulo Ndlela, the MK Party spokesperson, said the organization has since blocked Khumalo's hopes of becoming member of parliament, and said Khumalo was officially submitted to the IEC as one of our representatives to parliament. Hence, he is on the list of Umkhonto weSizwe Party members going to be sworn in, but he has since been fired from the organization. He said the organization has sent a letter to the parliament secretary explaining that Khumalo is no longer a member of the organization. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.